On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves.
This is a video that we're sending to all our friends and family members to let you know that we haven't forgot you, and we hope you enjoy
your Christmas time.
What about the Christmas time? I hope you enjoy your Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Oh, yeah, that's good. A Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.
See you on the other side.
Just stick to one side. Yeah, okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's bad.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah!
We have to sing something to Ron. No, we have to send something to Ron and Henny. Merry Christmas, Ron and Henny. So they got that part. We have to send something to my mother.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom! How do you make macaroni and cheese? How kind it is?
And you been so yada.
Send it to us.
And who else? And
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
To Oma and Opa.
Happy birthday.
They're here. So they say, hey, Jan Nika! We're sending this to you. And somebody else? April and Jamie? Where the hell are they at? Okay. That's it. One more time. Jingle bells?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. All the fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow, one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Up, 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 and down the ring.